Hi everybody, my name is Anna Cuccia. I'm a freelance teacher trainer and also school governor. This webinar is called Using Cuisenaire Rods in the Language Classroom, and it's the first of 2 sessions, so don't forget the second session coming up in October. I was really excited when Gallery Teachers allowed me to prepare this webinar because Cuisenaire rods are one of my absolute all-time favourite resources. I've got a box here. It's like Christmas for me when I see these. The physicality of the rods, just touching them, feeling them, absolutely fantastic. And there are so many uses, so many things you can do in the classroom with them. So you can look at grammar, you can look at storytelling, pronunciation, all kinds of things. So over the 2 webinars, we'll look at that. The first one, we are going to be looking at some ideas for particularly exam practice with some examples from IELTS and First Certificate. We'll look about telling the time, about location, place, looking at grammar, practicing our speaking, our writing skills. So this is something really simple that you can do with many different level students and lots of different teaching contexts. So I really hope that you'll be able to join me. If you've got some rods, brilliant, dust off the box, get them out. If you haven't, don't worry, just come along, bring a nice pack of coloured felt tip pens and some paper, and come and have some fun with me and learn some great new tricks for your teaching repertoire.